Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Today I'll show you Cargo Lite Courier system. This is our admin panel. You can see dashboard. So you can see all staff, all customers, all drivers, then all vehicles, all branches, then total shipment, total missing, then latest shipment, then driver wallet, driver cost. Another option is exact control level, rules list. You can add rules, edit and delete also. Then create new rules, shipment, create new shipment, all shipment, barcode scanner. Then mission, all mission. You can see all mission data. First transaction, all transaction. Then branch list, customer list, driver list, user list, then report, shipment report, then missing report, transaction report, branch report, customers report, driver report, then setting. So many options you can customize is general setting, order place, area management, delivery time, package, shipping rates, then shipping setting, then couriers, payment settings, notification, system update, support team. You can customize your profile. If you need it, check the link in the description. For the installing help, contact us.